Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. Enjoy and subscribe if you like our work. A professional organizer and a renowned ad clinician join forces to present this guide that addresses the unique needs of adults with ad. It offers organizing advice that ranges from self-help to utilizing the help of non-professionals to using professional assistance. This book is full of fantastic ways to organize your life, particularly if you have ad. People with ad often have to use coaches to help get them on track. While I'll almost certainly need a coach in the future, this book helped me organize my life in meaningful ways. Banish bureaus. I use a large clothing rack so I can easily see what clothes I have and they stay ironed. Giveaway bag. Use a plastic trash bag to organize clothes you want to give away. Leave them there for 3 months. If you haven't touched them in that time, you can probably give them away. Smile. Paperwork night. Dedicate a night to dealing with mail, paying bills, and all the little annoying stuff. I love this book. Love it, love it, love it. I recommend this book to almost all of my clients with ad and even to some who don't but could really use a good book in helping reorganize many aspects of their lives. How do I love thee? Organized in an easy-to-read format. It acknowledges and accounts for the short attention span and is set up to help keep your attention. Summary at the end of each chapter. Suggestions in each chapter about improving the selected issues, separating the options by those you can do by yourself, with family or friends, and with professional help. Chaos, can't have anyone over syndrome. Yes, right on the mark with many adders. Out of sight, out of mind, a major reason for chaos. Each chapter stands well on its own. A must for adders. Pick whatever topic most resonates with you. You aren't required to start at chapter 1 and move through the book sequentially. The information presented is sound, without being overly formal. Information is presented with humor, compassion, and encouragement. As you read the book, you can feel your confidence grow that you can and will be able to tackle the problems that so frequently overwhelm you. It is an empowering read.